Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Line is coming to you with another video. Today's video is an unboxing. It is the new Swiss watch company. This is the ARC. Now, this is a new model they recently released. Now, this is also a prototype model, and quick disclaimer, guys, I do get to keep the production version of the watch once they come out with the production version. If it looks like I'm in a different location, I am indeed in a different location, doing a little bit of a staycation. As you do know, I live here at the beach, but every once in a while we do like to do staycations, guys. I'll show you guys a view here shortly with a wrist shot as well. Quick wrist check, I am indeed wearing the Ors. This is the Octavango. This is a pretty killer watch from Salzman's, guys. Look for the full review of this coming up. Now, this isn't quite a review on the ARC, and as you know, I do my unboxings, first impressions, kind of different than most people. I have had it for a day or so, and I did want to get the video out, guys. It is new, and I promised Josh and his brother that I would get it out as soon as possible, and I will do the review as soon as possible, guys. And as you know, I've had experience with the Swiss watch company, Microbrand, before, and what I do like about their company is their father has plenty of experience in the Swiss watch industry. He worked for quality control for Swatch, I believe, Omega for a little while, which is pretty cool. So, and you can definitely tell that experience comes in through the watch. Now, as me getting the watch for free, it will not, of course, sway my opinion on the watch. I will tell you exactly what I think of the watch after my time with it, after about a week or so, and then I will send this prototype on to the next reviewer. And then again, like I said, I mentioned I will indeed get a production model of said watch once they come out, guys. But anyways, guys, I'll flip the camera and show you the said watch. Now, let me know how the lighting and sound are, guys. They did send this pretty cool little note. Appreciate it. It says, thank you for spending time with this piece. Can't wait to see your review. All the best, Steven, Josh, Jacob. Like I said, this is a family-run company, guys. They're based here in America. These are Swiss-made pieces. Hence, Swiss Watch Company is the name of the company, guys. And here is the pouch that it comes in. Pretty nice little travel pouch here, guys. Again, let me know how the lighting comes out on this video, guys. Again, not usually, this is just kind of using natural lighting. But on the overall, pretty nice presentation of the package here. First impressions. Again, this is not a review. This is kind of unboxing, first impressions kind of deal. Comes with an extra strap, these elastic kind of straps. And again, I have worn it a little bit. You'll see wrist shot, I'll show you. Overall, first impressions, I really dig this. This is a really lightweight watch, guys. Again, this is called the ARC. The only difference, I think, between this color combination or this prototype and the actual production model is going to be, there is going to be Swiss made on the dial. I believe they said that's about the only difference they're having. I do believe this is titanium watch with Swiss on the quartz. It is a 38 millimeters. It wears really light, and these elastic bands, this is something kind of new I haven't seen on a watch for a while. But these bands are pretty cool, pretty comfortable overall. And again, overall first impressions really cool, and I'm glad they chose me as one of the people to send these pieces to, and I appreciate them actually sending one for the channel for me to wear personally, guys. So that's also pretty cool, guys. Appreciate that. Overall, first impressions, I really do dig it. It has the second hand going around here in the circle on the 6 o'clock, which is really clean dial, clean look. The only thing I would change probably would be the date window. Of course, you know I'm not a big date window kind of person. Maybe I would do no date, possibly. Now, this is considered, I believe, a field watch, and I do believe it's going to be 100-meter water resistance. Correct me if I'm wrong down there. Again, I'll have to do a little bit more research, guys. And I do believe this is about to be in production, guys. So this is pretty cool to get to check this out. Be one of the first people to check this watch out and get first impressions, so I can show you guys, let you guys know. This is kind of along the lines of their bunker model, but a little bit different, a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. I don't have any experience with the bunker model. Hopefully they would send a bunker in for review sometime. Maybe I can do a comparison contrast, guys. As you do know, I did have their sport watch in for a while, and I still have that one. Pretty cool watch overall. Like I said, first impressions, definitely really quality made. You can tell the quality behind the watch and the thought process behind the watch. And I do like their style of what they do, guys. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.